Welcome back to the channel, everybody. And in this video today, I'm going to show you a better Kajabi alternative. I'm going to compare two different platforms, Coach Marketing Hub versus Kajabi. I'm going to compare the pricing plans as well as the features included. And then I'm going to show you the insights of the membership sites, aka the course area as well. So let's get this party started. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Dahmen and I cover everything around online coaching, online courses, and tech tutorials. So if that's your jam, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay tuned with all the new videos which are coming out. All right, so let's get started with the pricing comparison. Kajabi is kind of like an all-in-one platform which does a few things. However, Coach Marketing Hub is also an all-in-one platform which does a lot more things than Kajabi does. So as I said earlier, let's look at the pricing model first. So Kajabi has three different plans and we're looking at the monthly fee here. So you can get the basic at $149, the growth at $199, and the pro at $399 per month. Okay, so what is the difference here, which stands out immediately to me, and this is with all of the different platforms out there, may this be Kajabi, Thinkific, Teachable, Podia, you name it, they all have restrictions on their plans. So here you can see with Kajabi, for example, you can only host 3 products, and in their language, products means courses, right? So if you host 3 courses, then you need to upgrade to the growth plan. If you have 3 funnels built, then you need to upgrade to the growth plan. Okay, if you have 10,000 contacts stored, then you need to upgrade to the growth plan. If you have 25,000 contact stores, then you have to upgrade to the pro plan, which allows you to store 100,000 contacts. Okay, so versus Coach Marketing Hub, for example, let's scroll up. Coach Marketing Hub replaces more than 15. Now we're adding more and more features every single week to it, but at this moment I think it's about 50 or 16 features now. So it doesn't just replace something like Kajabi, it also replaced many other platforms, email marketing platforms like ConvertKit or WordPress hosting, sales funnels like ClickFunnels, SMS marketing platforms, call tracking service pipelines, and many more. However, we're just going to focus on the course platform in this video because that's kind of like what Kajabi is known for mainly, right? So if you look at the Coach Marketing Hub plan, for example, you get, this is also the monthly plan, right? So $97 per month or $83 per month billed annually. Okay, so that would be $997 per year. So you save 2 months. You get 2 months for free if you go for the yearly plan. If you go for the monthly plan, you pay $97 per month. And the difference here to Kajabi is this is all unlimited. Okay, you can host unlimited courses with Coach Marketing Hub. You can host unlimited funnels. You can host unlimited websites. You can host unlimited surveys. And surveys is actually something Kajabi doesn't have, like many other features too, right? Or the web chat. The web chat, for example, is the little box, the icon here on the right. So if you click on that, you can have a little chat with one of the representatives. Here, you just type your name, your phone number, your email, and then your message, you hit send. And the great thing about this feature is, even if you have your website hosted on another website still, for example, WordPress or something like that, you can still implement the web chat, and the web chat widget pulls the data into Coach Marketing Hub. So Coach Marketing Hub is basically full-fledged CRM, customer relationship management software, okay, which contains an online course hosting ability like Kajabi does, right? Also with the contacts and comparison to Coach Marketing Hub. So let's say the basic plan is already $149 per month here, right? It's already $49 more than Coach Marketing Hub. And the limitations is on 10,000 contacts. With Coach Marketing Hub, however, you have $97 per month, but you can store unlimited contacts. What does that mean? You can have as many contacts as you like, and the price doesn't increase just because you collect more email subscribers, right? However, the way this works is Coach Marketing Hub charges per SMS sent and per email sent. Now you may be wondering, how can they afford to do this? Because the business model is the subscription model, which is the $97 per month. That's how we make money, okay? So that's the main differences. So again, to wrap this up regarding pricing, the products, the courses, there's a limitation on each of the plans, which you don't have with CMH. So with CMH, you have unlimited courses, you have unlimited funnels. With CMH, unlike with Kajabi, you have restrictions on funnels. You do not have restrictions on landing pages. Active members, that's a community. You can have only one website growth, 3 websites on the Pro plan. So with Coach Marketing Hub also, you can have unlimited websites. You can connect unlimited domains to Coach Marketing Hub, no increase of charge here. And then, yeah, so we all have this too, quizzes and surveys, 0 transaction fees, webinars and events, things like that. So the affiliate program, you can only get the affiliate platform with Kajabi if you go to the growth plan. So you can't have an affiliate platform with Kajabi if you're on the basic plan, okay, which is a tremendous amount of difference. You're actually $50 per month. So again, with Coach Marketing Hub, you can have the affiliate platform if you go onto the yearly plan. So, and there is also 0 transaction fee on any kind of like revenue you make or your affiliates basically help you generate. Also, a very interesting thing to notice here on the Kajabi Pro plan, you will only get a dedicated domain where you can send your own emails from. For example, hello@tinadahmen.com. If I wanted to send emails from my own domain, I would need to be on the Pro plan. I would need to pay $400 per month to Kajabi in order to get my domain inside Kajabi so that I can send emails from my own domain. I think that's pretty pricey. So of Coach Marketing Hub, you will immediately get that customized domain dedicated to your account. Okay, so there is no restrictions on that either. And I think that's pretty much it when it comes to the plan. I mean, it's pretty obvious which plan is better when it comes to pricing as well as features. So Coach Marketing Hub literally does so many more things. But in this video, I wanted to dive deeper into 3 different things, which is 1, the funnel builder, 2, the website builder, and 3, the online course hosting platform, because those 3 main things Kajabi does as well, and Coach Marketing Hub replaces that as well as other features. So I wanted to give you a view inside the platform, how it looks like from the back end as well, so you can make up your own mind. Okay, so this is one of our demo accounts. So that's how Coach Marketing looks like from the back end. On the left, you have the full menu. You can see Launchpad. You can see the dashboard is this right here. Opportunities is at 0 because obviously it's a demo account, but opportunities is something like pipelines. Okay, you can tag different people if they come into your ecosystem basically, and you can say like, hey, I've got 3 new leads and each of them are worth $5,000. Then it would say 3, 15, and then you can track your conversion rate as well, how you convert from there. Then you have conversations. The conversations tab is on the left as well, which is basically all your emails go in there. When people reply to SMS, these conversations go there. When you can connect your Instagram to this, you can connect your Facebook page to this. So all of the messages would come into the conversations tab, and it's a centralized tool. So if you have a VA who's responsible to reply to all your messages, for example, then that's a really great way to give access to your VA, or to just stay organized yourself, really, to have it all in one area versus going to 4 different places and try to catch up with all of the messages. Then also calendars. You can have unlimited calendars, basically one for a consultation session, for example, for a 15-minute qualifier, for a strategy session, for a coaching session, whatever session, you have to have different calendars because ideally you want to have set up different workflows according to that. So then contacts, obviously, this is your phone book where you store all the contacts. Then opportunities is the pipelines, what I just talked about. There's different stages of a pipeline. When somebody signs up for your challenge, for example, you can move them over to attended day 1, booked a call, became a client, follow up. So you can always stay on track where people are, and you always ideally want to move them from left to right. Then we have payments here. You can collect payments with 0% transaction fee. You can send invoices, you can track all your orders, you can set up subscriptions if somebody wants to pay on a payment plan, for example, or you have a membership site, you can set this up. Obviously integratable with Stripe and PayPal, so you can set up different products. You can give discount coupons, So if you have a Black Friday promotion running and you want to hand out some coupons, you can create that here. Then marketing is social planner, so you can schedule things like your Facebook posts, Facebook group posts, Facebook pages posts, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, so that you don't have to do this manually and you don't need to pay for later.com or Hootsuite, things like that. Then you can send emails. And then we have the affiliate manager here on the top as well. So if you have people who would like to sell your products for you, who would like to recommend, maybe your clients, your own clients are always a really good source of promoters. If they like your products, right, you can set this up within Coach Marketing Hub as well. And this is with the one plan. We only have one plan with Coach Marketing Hub, right? Versus Kajabi, you would need to upgrade to the growth plan if you wanted to utilize the affiliate manager. Okay, so then furthermore on the automation part, that's the workflows. That's basically a series of emails you can trigger, including emails, SMS. You can enroll people automatically into your courses. You can revoke access automatically from your courses. You can do all sorts of things, but that's beyond the scope of this video, so we cover this in another video. And then sites, that's very interesting to us now because that's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about funnels, websites, and then memberships, which is the course platform. Before we do that, I'm just going to quickly finish here on the left. Reputation management means basically you can send people requests to review your products on Facebook or any other Google My Business, for example. You can automate that too. After they finished your course, you can send a request for review. Reporting is all about call tracking or maybe even paid ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads. You can track all of this here. And then this is our private content, which you will also get access to actually if you get an account of Coach Marketing Hub. So there's different courses which you will get access to, which I will dive a lot deeper into by the end of this video. So stay tuned, okay? Awesome. So let's start with the funnel builder. So for example, let's go into a webinar funnel builder. And if you're familiar with ClickFunnels, it's pretty much a copy of ClickFunnels. So if you wanted to move over any kind of like funnel from ClickFunnels, your own, or maybe you've seen something out there which you like, you can just add a new step here and then import from ClickFunnels. Just paste the URL and it pulls the entire funnel into Coach Marketing Hub. Obviously, you would need to go and then adjust it to your own copy and graphics and whatnot, and you don't want to steal content from other people. But if you see, hey, this funnel is amazing, this funnel converts, you can just basically take it. Good thing here is also you don't need to learn anything new, so you can just use it if you're familiar to ClickFunnels. But it's very intuitive, so you can see this funnel, for example, has like 2 steps, which is first the homepage, and second is the thank you page, or this is, for example, the webinar funnel. It's the homepage to sign up for the webinar, and the second page is basically the webinar in progress already. So I'm just going to show you real quick how easy it is to use the page builder. And the really good thing about this here too is that the funnel builder and the website builder is actually exactly the same builder. So you don't need to learn 2 different builders, which, you know, reduces the learning curve, which is amazing. So you can see here, it's an easy drag and drop. You can just click here and change your copy here. You can just click the plus sign here and add another box, a headline, a subheadline, another paragraph, maybe a button or an image, a video. And great thing here is a new feature, by the way, also is we have now internal video hosting, so you don't need to pay for tools like Vimeo anymore because we have in-house hosting. So that's another bonus, which is cool. Surveys, so Kajabi also does not have surveys. You can get all sorts of information from your audience if you wanted so, which is always really good. After you had a launch, for example, you can send out like why didn't you buy survey, or if you run a YouTube channel, you can interview your people and ask them what kind of like content they would like you to create and all sorts of different things, right? You can integrate a calendar, reviews automatically into your page, things like that. You can have a countdown timer. Yeah, so that's it for the funnel builder. Let's go back here for a second and you will see. So you will also get different funnels already pre-built in your Coach Marketing Hub account, like a funnel for the challenge, like a funnel for the freebie, like a funnel for conference, a webinar funnel, live or evergreen, and a free discovery call. Then let's move over to websites. So we have many different websites, templates for you installed as well already. So basically it's like a one click and activate website. Let's take the coaching website as an example and the course website as an example. So yes, in this example, you have, for example, 5 pages already preloaded for you. You can have pages, you can have statistics on the pages, you can have sales tracking activated as well as settings. So let's go and see how the page builder looks like in the websites. Now that's the website. So you can see here your 5 pages on the top. It's a live coaching example. So here you go. You see it's exactly the same page builder as with the funnel, and then easy drag and drop, or you just click up and down here if you want to move stuff around, or you just click here to drag it down here if that's what you wanted to do. Very easy to navigate. So really the cool thing is, if you get this website, if you decide to go for this theme, for example, you just need to fill out your own information and your website can be up and ready to go within just a minute. Yeah, all what you need to do obviously is then change this to your name and your own pictures and your own copy and your own stuff, what you're doing and offering, and you're ready to go. Then let's talk about the actual membership site, the actual online course platform. So if you hover over to sites and then memberships basically means online course platform. You see the dashboard here, that's where we're at right now. Then you have the products, the offers, the analytics, and the settings. So here you can really track how many opt-ins you had in the last 30 days, how many members you've added in the last 30 days, how much that means in sales, and how many checkouts you had in the last 30 days. If you're familiar with Kajabi, you already see it's literally the same interface, the same user experience, so you don't need to learn anything new as well. If you wanted to create a new course, so these are all demo courses, so you just hit the create product button, and then you can select between a sprint course, which is usually like a mini course, right? A marathon course, like this name suggests, is a bit of a bigger course. You can build your own, or you can create a membership site as well. So let's say we take the marathon course. Let's just leave the name as is. Awesome. So there's a little notification. Obviously, to connect payments, we need to connect Stripe, which is awesome because we can take money from this. So we have here the different modules, the introduction, the fundamentals, the what, the why, the how. So, and then you just click here if you wanted to create a new category, or here if you wanted to create a new lesson or a new subcategory, or you can also add assessments as well. And then this one is actually the SSI, the Session Success Implementer, which is actually one of our real courses. So I actually just wanted to share this with you as well, because you will get access to this as well as other courses to Coach Marketing Hub if you become a subscriber from Coach Marketing Hub. So if you wanted to test it out, there's a link in the description below. And get your free trial. So here we have the Session Success Implementer, which, as the name already states, helps you to conduct successful strategy sessions. If you sell stuff over the phone, then this is basically a course which helps you set up the automation on, when someone books a call through the calendar section here, then the system tags them with person booked a call, then they get added to a workflow, to a series of emails, which helps you to prepare them for the sale on the call, things like that. So that's the full automation. So the backend, the builder looks like this. And then from the student perspective, the course looks like this, okay? Same as in Kajabi, right? So you have your course here, you click start course, and you can also click on the individual sessions right here. Yep, then you have your lessons here. Okay, so the video are working. On the right, you have all the lessons within that specific category. And once you're through with the lessons, you can just hit mark as complete. Furthermore, I wanted to show you how you can actually then customize the details. So you can add a description here to your course. You can add a product thumbnail, and then you can add customized CSS at the bottom as well under advanced here. So if you want to add your own style, you can do that. If you want a tracking code, so footer code, header code or footer code about tracking something specific, you can add those here as well, which is amazing. Yeah, you can add your own logo. You can add your own instructor information. You can obviously add a headshot of yourself, which is amazing, a little bio, the title, the name. And then you can also customize the entire page. There is some suggestions and options you can choose from, but you can also create your own. Then next you can click on offers, and offers basically means if you have one course created, you can create many different offers for it. For example, let's say you have a $9.97 course which sells out throughout the entire year, but now you have a promotion going on and you want to have a special Black Friday offer or whatever, you can create a different offer and attach it to this specific course, which is nice because then you can have the separate tracking, and so you know exactly which kind of like promotion worked and which didn't. Now let's move over to analytics. You can actually track the course progress of your students, so you can see exactly which kind of student watched how many lessons in what kind of course, which is amazing because if you have some some cheeky students that they come onto your coaching sessions that they complain all day about no progress, you can say, hey, I actually saw you, I actually tracked your progress and you didn't watch the lessons. Or you can send them an email and say like, hey, we noticed you didn't log in for a while, please come back to finish the lessons, things like that. You can also see the results of the assessment students have submitted under analytics. And then under settings, which is amazing, you can also set up a custom domain, which is, for example, courses.tinadahmen.com or accessmaterial.tinadahmen.com or whatever. You can set this up here. And also very exciting, you can give an app to your students. So now your students can actually download an app on their phone and watch your online content on their phone while on the go. Yeah. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, there are different courses which you get access to once you sign up for Coach Marketing Hub. For example, we teach you how you build a 5-minute freebie funnel, the best practices about email marketing, so you really don't want to land in spam, do's and don'ts, things like that. The Session Success Implementer, you get free access to that, as well as help with the account setup. All right, I hoped this video helped you to understand the differences between Kajabi and Coach Marketing Hub a lot better. And if you wanted to try it out, click the link in the description below and get your free trial. Hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all the new tech tutorials, coaching tutorials, and online course tutorials I'm going to put out there over the future. Bye.